The Adnan Syed saga, a twisting tale of justice, innocence, and a nation's obsession. The name Adnan Syed has become synonymous with legal complexities, unwavering assertions of innocence, and the potent influence of true crime narratives. His case, a tangled web of circumstantial evidence, shifting testimonies, and media frenzy, has captivated the world since its initial unfolding in 1999, culminating in a recent, albeit complex, resolution that leaves many questions lingering in its wake. Syed, now 43, was initially convicted of the 1999 murder of his ex-girlfriend Hae Min Lee, a crime that thrust him into a life sentence. The case, shrouded in ambiguity and fueled by the immensely popular true crime podcast, Serial, became a cultural phenomenon, sparking intense public debate and highlighting the flaws and biases that can permeate the criminal justice system. For over 2 decades, Syed maintained his innocence, navigating a labyrinthine legal battle marked by relentless appeals, unexpected developments, and the relentless pursuit of truth, or, at least, a version of truth, by his supporters and detractors alike. The narrative is complex, far exceeding the scope of a simple recounting of events. It's a story woven with threads of youthful romance, betrayal, suspicion, and the devastating weight of unanswered questions that linger long after the legal proceedings conclude. It's a story that asks us to consider the limitations of evidence, the fallibility of human memory, and the profound impact of media narratives on public perception and the judicial process. The podcast, Serial, didn't simply report. It engaged, it argued, and it propelled Syed's case into the global spotlight, igniting a firestorm of debate and analysis that continues to this day. The recent court decision, while seemingly bringing closure, presents a nuanced picture that defies easy categorization. Judge Jennifer Skiffer's decision to release Syed, having already served his time, does not exonerate him. His conviction remains, a stark reminder of the persistent uncertainties surrounding the case. However, the judge's ruling reflects a recognition of the significant procedural errors and irregularities that marred the original trial. It underscores the potential for injustice within a system designed, ideally, to deliver fairness and equity. The modification of Syed's probation conditions, allowing him more freedom of movement between Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Virginia, reflects a pragmatic approach to his reintegration into society. His current employment at Georgetown University's Prisons and Justice Initiative, an organization dedicated to reforming the criminal justice system, is a testament to his efforts at rehabilitation and a poignant irony considering the circumstances that led him there. It speaks volumes about his determination to contribute positively to a system that has, in many ways, failed him. The implications of this case extend far beyond Syed himself. It highlights the crucial need for ongoing reform within the American judicial system, a system plagued by inconsistencies, biases, and a persistent struggle for true justice. The case serves as a cautionary tale, emphasizing the vulnerability of individuals facing flawed investigations, unreliable evidence, and the pervasive pressure of public opinion. Beyond the legal ramifications, the human element remains profoundly impactful. The families involved, the friends and acquaintances caught in the periphery, and the community at large have all been profoundly affected by this protracted legal battle. The emotional toll, the enduring uncertainties, and the lingering questions will undoubtedly continue to shape the lives of those involved for years to come. The suffering endured by all parties is a stark reminder of the human cost of legal complexities and the pursuit of truth in the face of ambiguity. The family's statement, expressing gratitude to the Maryland Supreme Court for its landmark decision, granting victims enhanced rights, also acknowledges the multifaceted nature of this saga. This represents a significant step towards ensuring victims' voices are heard and their interests are adequately considered in the criminal justice process. The enhanced rights, previously enshrined generally in the Maryland state constitution, now explicitly grant victims the right to be heard, present, and meaningfully participate in criminal proceedings. This marks a crucial advancement in ensuring that the system works not just for the accused, but also for the victims of crime. However, this too adds another layer of complexity to the narrative, a recognition of the necessity to balance the rights of the accused with the rights of the victim. The Adnan Syed case is far from closed. It remains an open wound on the American judicial system, a testament to its flaws and its ongoing struggle to achieve true justice. It is a case that will continue to spark debates, fuel discussions, and challenge our understanding of truth, justice, and the pursuit of fairness within the complex landscape of the criminal justice system. The lingering questions, the unanswered queries, and the sheer weight of its influence on public discourse ensure that the saga of Adnan Syed will remain a potent symbol of a system striving, perhaps imperfectly, to find its way towards a more equitable and just future.